Welcome to another video. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail from the side. Then repeat the same process of tying it again. Then take one end of the ponytail from one side and the other end from the other side. Then keep making a mesh-like structure or a pigtail out of it. Then hold one end of the hair with the help of a clutcher. Repeat the same process again and again. Then when you are done repeating the same process, just tie it in the form of a hairband or a rubber band, just like this. See how beautiful it looked. Now decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take one end of the hair and keep inserting that part of the hair inside the upper part. Then repeat the same process again and again. Make it look like a knot. Take the remaining hair, tie it like a rubber band. See, it should look like a spider web, just like this. Repeat the same process until you are contented that it is long enough to be displayed. Then divide both the parts into two. Make plait, roll it like a snail just like this, and then carefully and gradually insert it in the upper part of the hair as well. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a plait from side by side, taking hair from one side and other from the other side using your little finger properly. Just do the process as shown in the video. Your hair should be very stiff and head should be very firm. Then take the remaining hair and tie it in the form of plait just like this. Roll it upwards and then like a snail, clip it with the bobby pin to the upper part of the hair. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a high ponytail. Divide that ponytail into parts and then take one smaller part and keep tying it in like a plait. Then make two such plaits. Take one part of the hair, insert it inside the plaited part just like this. This process can be very difficult, so use an outer or external material to do so. Then tie the lower end of the hair with the help of a rubber band and then insert it through the gap. Make it look like a heart and decorate it. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail. Then take sides of the hair and keep inserting it inside the gap. Then make a knot from both the sides of the hair as well. Then tie it with the help of a rubber band to make it look like a ponytail, just like this. Repeat the same process until you are finally contented. See how beautiful it looks from the back. Then decorate it as your whims and fancies. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail. Divide that ponytail into two equal halves. Dividing that ponytail into halves, tie plaits with both the halves and then roll it around the circular end of your head, which you just tied with the help of a rubber band. Now secure it with the help of a clip or a back pin. Thank you for watching.